Welcome to this demonstration of the Government Investor Network, a product of the Global Clearinghouse. In this installment, we're going to take a look at the heart of this product, which is the communication via updates and feedbacks between the private sector and public institutions. To encourage effective communication, updates and feedbacks are structured into relevant topics specific to network goals. In the example network that we're using for Central America, you'll see that there are topics for suggestions for action plans, for implementations and possible solutions, for markets specific to Central America, regional tourism promotion, etc. Each of these topics is set up specific for each network. Within each topic, entries are listed most recent first, so that you can easily see the most recent activity for a specific topic. Let's take a look at an example. Here in the regional tourism promotion topic, you will see an update that was actually posted on the 30th of September of 2010, but there are 3 feedbacks in the first week of October. This is why they are listed at the top, because they are the most recent entries added. Whenever feedbacks are added, they are always shown in the context of the update to which they are responding to. So how do you create an update in a network? Well, once you've chosen which topic area you want the update to belong to, for our example, the regional tourism promotion area, then you would click the Add Update button and are presented with a form that allows you to enter the specifics of your update. This includes the title, the details describing the specifics of your update. This can be any form of text. And you can also include up to 3 documents that you would like to upload as part of this update, as well as references to 3 websites that might be relevant to the update. You can then specify whether this update or the information within the update should be made available or can be made available to the public websites associated with this particular network and with the Global Clearinghouse portal. And finally, you can indicate whether you want to have full attribution for this update, so it'll be associated with your name within the network, or whether you want it to be an anonymous update and therefore no attribution in the network. Wherever this update appears, you will see the anonymous marker next to it instead of your actual name. And finally, you would click the Add Update button and it would add this update to that topic. If we were to do that in this live network, then it would appear as the new top item in the summary page for this particular topic. Let's take a look at the most recent update in the regional tourism promotion topic of this live gen. Clicking on the update reveals the title, when it was posted, which member posted it, including their affiliation, as well as the full text of the update. In this case, the update was edited by the author about 5 minutes after original posting. This is always clearly marked so that all members know that an edit occurred. Users also have the option to translate the message from its original language, in this case Spanish, into their preferred language. Let's use English. We use Google Services to do the translation. Below the update are the already posted feedbacks for this update. In this case, there are 3 feedback items posted by different members of the network. These feedback items may be responses, opinions, or additional information provided by other members. In order to add your own feedback, you would enter a update as we have, and click the Add Feedback button. This takes you to the feedback form. The feedback form is very similar to the update form. You enter a title, the comments of your feedback, up to 3 additional attached documents, and up to 3 additional URLs that reference material on the internet that may be relevant to your feedback. Again, you can elect to make your comments in the feedback available to public websites associated with this network or with the Global Information Clearinghouse portal, as well as whether this feedback should be attributed to you, the member, or anonymous. Once you've entered in all these fields, you click the Add Feedback button and it will be added as a feedback item to this update. Of course, the full text of the update is also below the form so that you have that as reference for when you are adding in your feedback. You have now seen the process by which updates and feedbacks are viewed and added within a network. It is through this process that a network creates the dialogues for solving issues between the public and private sector. Thank you very much for joining this episode of the demonstrations of the Government Investor Network, a product of the Global Clearinghouse.